Pyramids are ancient monumental structures characterized by a polygonal base and triangular faces that converge to a single point at the top, known as the apex. These architectural marvels have been built by various civilizations throughout history, but they are most commonly associated with ancient Egypt. Here is some complete information about pyramids. 1. Egyptian pyramids. The most famous pyramids were built in ancient Egypt during the Old Kingdom period, approximately 2686-2181 BC. They served as tombs for pharaohs, the rulers of ancient Egypt, and were believed to house their bodies and possessions for the afterlife. The three largest pyramids at Giza are the Pyramid of Khufu, or Cheops, the Pyramid of Khafre, or Chefre, and the Pyramid of Menkaure. 2. Structure. Pyramids are characterized by a square or rectangular base and four triangular faces that slope upwards to meet at the apex. The sides were originally covered with polished limestone, giving them a smooth appearance. The internal structure of the pyramids consisted of various chambers, including a burial chamber where the pharaoh's sarcophagus was placed. 3. Construction. Building a pyramid was an enormous undertaking that required a large workforce and extensive resources. It is believed that the Egyptians used ramps to transport and lift the massive stones into position. The stones were primarily made of limestone, and some pyramids, such as the Pyramid of Khafre, have a casing of granite near the apex. 4. Symbolism. Pyramids held significant religious and cultural importance in ancient Egypt. They were seen as sacred structures that connected the earthly realm with the realm of the gods. The shape of the pyramid was believed to represent the primordial mound, the mythical place where creation began according to Egyptian mythology. 5. Alignment and astronomical significance. The Egyptian pyramids were carefully aligned with the cardinal points of the compass. The sides of the pyramids were oriented to face true north, with remarkable precision considering the era in which they were built. This alignment may have had astronomical significance, linking the pharaoh's eternal resting place with the stars and celestial bodies. 6. Other pyramids. While Egyptian pyramids are the most famous, similar structures were built by other ancient civilizations. The Mesoamerican cultures, such as the Maya and Aztecs, constructed their own pyramids, often used as religious and ceremonial centers. The Pyramid of the Sun in Teotihuacan, Mexico, and the Pyramid of Kukulcan, El Castillo, in Chichen Itza, Mexico, are notable examples. 7. UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Several Egyptian pyramids, including those at Giza, Saqqara, and Ashur, are designated as UNESCO World Heritage Sites, recognized for their outstanding universal value and cultural significance. Pyramids continue to fascinate people around the world due to their impressive architecture, historical context, and mysterious nature. They stand as lasting symbols of the achievements of ancient civilizations and the mastery of ancient civilizations and the distant techniques in the distant past.